This is Gabriel munching on ice. See? Ice. Is it good? Is it yummy? Yeah? Did you get it all? Oh, Bellini's gonna get the leftovers. I'm pretty sure your doctor's not gonna like this, G. Alright, can you give me a kiss? When your hand's not all over your face? Alright, hold on. I'm going to take this back. I want you to give me a kiss. Gabriel. Can you give me a kiss? You can have more if you give... Gabriel, you can have more if you give me a kiss. Have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Thank you.